पूरे दिन you didn't get a call from your partner. So we are not one of those. That's the thing about me and Karan, that he was very clear, like, we can't get boring. You leave your house and you go to the husband's house, your partner's house, your sasural, and somehow it's always important, and it gives you a lot more respect, I feel like. So I love how he craves for time with me.
I don't have to, go to Milan and spend 10 lakhs to,
Please her.
please her.
Yeah.
She's not that person.
Yeah.
And it's all those insigals.
Yeah.
When he says he's never felt this way before, I see it.
Wow.
I see it. It's very visible. The way he feels to me is just, it's so out there. Like you can't miss it.
अभी भी
3 से 4 हो गए
4 साल हो
4
चुके
गए
हैं। तो हर साल सलमान खान भी यही बोलते हैं कि बिग बॉस के रिश्ते टिकते नहीं हैं, बट टच वुड 4 साल हो चुके हैं। एंड whenever I look at you and Karan, I look at your pictures, I look at you guys together doing the aarti at home or cooking or any masti, that twinkle in your eyes when you look at him.
Yeah.
It makes me very happy, and also makes me believe that love, old school love exists.
Exists.
And I'm a proud cheerleader of Tejran.
How sweet. Thank you.
So how is it, like, if relationship is an everyday work?
Totally. Relationship is a lot of work. It is not, how do I say it? I've seen these couples who don't even talk to each other, or probably just make like one phone call a day, and then I'm like, pure din, you didn't get a call from your partner. So we are not one of those. My partner really trusts me and I really trust them, and like I know, but it's not about the trust. It's about just taking it so much for granted that you don't miss the other person for so long that you just don't want to hear their voice. It's not about that if I call my partner is because I'm like doubting my partner. That's stupid.
I want to hear his voice.
Yeah, I just want to hear his voice, or just like do like a normal video call for just like, it could be like 10 seconds. And then just hang up and be like, I didn't call you for any reason, okay, bye. Or just like anything. How can you, to me it's very weird when they, like, two people are not like obsessed with each other, because then there's no fun to it. There's no, I don't get it really.
I agree that obsession has to be there. Of
yeah,
course.
and there should be like they should be on your mind, and if they're not on your mind because she must be doing her thing, or like he must be doing, and like I feel it's just a defense mechanism of like just not being interested in calling them because they're not interesting. Like you're not interested. क्या ही बात करेगा, छोड़, मैं रात को ही सोने से पहले गुड नाइट कॉल कर दूंगी.
I think वो efforts की बात है. Efforts शायद लेना
Or
नहीं
there's no
चाहते.
excitement.
Yeah.
Or they are actually bored of each other. They're actually like क्या ही बात करेंगे, क्या खाना खाया, ये क्या बात करने की बात है क्या. They're actually just bored of each other.
But excitement की बात, ये हम देखते हैं कि कुछ टाइम के बाद वो excitement level खत्म हो जाता है.
Not necessary.
What should one do to keep that
कुछ भी कर लो.
intact?
कुछ भी कर लो. And I mean like do something stupid, travel, do anything. कलेश ही कर लो. कसम से बता रही हूँ, कुछ भी कर लो, पर कुछ करो. कुछ करो. It shouldn't be like dead. Like अरे है, प्यार है, पता है कुछ नहीं करेगा, कुछ नहीं करेगी, हाँ ठीक है, मतलब साथ में रह रहे हैं, और like something like it's just, at least that's the thing about me and Karan, that he was very clear, like we can't get boring. I was like, yeah, because I get bored, and he's like, I also get bored. I was like, we can't let each other get bored. There's no way. So we always keep each other on our toes. So yeah, that's very like there can never be, or like get dogs. Dude, get a French bulldog. You'll never be bored.
मैं लोगों को एडवाइस देता हूँ, but मेरा relationship I think तेजस्वी के पास ही है. So she knows me. I think that is how it started, she knows me pretty well, you know, and I think she's the first person who's understood me so well. तो वो कई बार बोलती है, तेरे को पता भी नहीं होता है, पर मुझे पता होता है. So I think, तो मैं बोलता चल है, कुछ भी मतलब वो, and then I realized she's right. अभी जैसे कल की बात है, so I hadn't eaten the entire day, and she kept saying दोपहर को कि कुछ खा ले, तेरी तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी. And I was like नहीं मैं काम पे ध्यान है, ये वो. 1 o'clock I got back, and you know then is when I had, she's like तेरी तबीयत खराब होनी है. like पागल है यार, सुबह तबीयत खराब. So and then she's like I know you better. तो I think it's a perfect mix, जो एक लड़के को करना चाहिए और जो एक लड़की के, you know, because you know girls are more mature than boys. वो जल्दी mature होती हैं, they're more sensitive, they're more understanding. हमारा क्या है ना, खट, तो वो perfect balance है.
There have been these videos of him being like, you know, this hot dude being like, oh no, I hate baby talks, and then cut to they've like edited him calling me Laddu, this, my puppy, my little, and all of that. So like he's really just changed as a person, and he himself, when he says he's never felt this way before, I see it. Wow. I see it. It's very visible the way he feels to me. It's just, it's so out there. Like you can't miss it.
रैंडम मैसेज उसको जब मैं भेज देता हूँ, शी गेट्स सो हैप्पी, यू नो, एंड आई एम नॉट मच ऑफ अ फोन पर्सन एंड शी इज़. सो अगर मैं बहुत बिजी होता हूँ उसके बीच में, अगर मैं एक कॉल कर दूँ, शी रियलाइजेस दैट, यू नो,
You've taken that effort.
He's really busy, he hates calling, but he's called me. It's not just me, it's also her, right? So this is not just my decision, it's our decision, and I think when the right time is there, we will obviously do it, because we're also normal human beings, you know, and so again, when you say हाँ ठीक है मेरा career है, ये है, मेरा सब कुछ हो गया यार, अभी मतलब अब तो वो वाला सिचुएशन, पापा बोल रहे भाई घर बना लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया, ऐसे कर लिया, अभी क्या चाहिए तेरे को, मैं क्या ला के दूँ, मतलब so I'm like हाँ, तो you talking about me, so you know you should also talk about her. So I think that pretty much answers the question, because I don't want to be unfair कि यार ये plunge लेने के चक्कर में ये हो गया. She has her own aspirations, which is why I respect her, which is why I, you know, love her. So I can't dissuade her from that.
watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.